Welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can edit your header, menu and logo. Let's start. So, to edit this header option, we'll need to go to menu. In the menu, let's create a new menu. Let's name it header menu. And let's click on main menu as well as responsive menu and create the menu. Okay. Now let's select the pages which we actually want. For example, the home page. Then we want a property page, blog page, gallery page, anyone. And then we want contact page. Let's add them all. Install the home, blog, contact, FAQ, let's add one gallery images, our agents page, and let's add them. Then we need a properties page as well. Now let's change gallery 4 column to just gallery. Property search to simply properties. Let's add property up, blog at the bottom, our agent after the properties, FAQ under contact, and let's save it. And once it's done, refresh it. You will be able to see that the menu has been changed. As you can see, home, properties, our agent, contact, gallery and blog. You can also see that the FAQ is under the contact. Let's see how the property search page look like. As you can see, all the properties are below. Nice. Let's see our agents page. As you can see, all the agents are available over here. Let's see our contact page, FAQ page. As you can see, everything is now available. You will be able to see that this section is being added to all the pages. Let's see if we have this same option in the blog as well. As you can see, location, property status and property tag. This whole search bar is available in all the pages. So now let me show you how you can change your logo. Click on Real Homes, Customize Settings. Now go to your header. Here you'll be able to see a lot of other options as well. If you click on here, you'll be able to see site retina logo and site logo. Here you'll be able to change it. Let's use this one, or let's simply use this. Choose this image and publish it. Let's see if it's available. As you can see that the image has been changed. Same way for the retina as well, you can select it and it will be changed. This is site logo for mobile. For mobile devices, you will need to add a logo over here. As you can see that the logo is bigger. To make it smaller, you will need to manually edit the image and make it smaller. or else you can keep the basic. For now, I'll just keep the basic, but you now know how you can change your logo. As you can see, it's showing sandbox, which is the default WordPress name for our website. As you can see that I have just removed the logo. So let's add back the logo. Okay, so you can see that the logo has been changed again. Now let's go back, go to header. Now let's see what we can change. You can see that there are different types of header options available. Then we have box layout and full width logo. Then we have transparent and solid. And then we have sticky header enabled or disabled. For example, if you can see that the logo header goes away once we go down. If you click on sticky enable, you'll be able to see that the header will always show even if the page we go down. Let me show you. As you can see that the logo and header is sticky. Now let's make a little transparency and publish it. So now let's add some more options to it. For example, email address and phone number. As you can see, this phone number can be changed from here. Then we have added WhatsApp image, which we can change. Then we have login and register design basics. If you want to show that in the header, this one, you can enable or hide from this part. Then we have a banner option, which is currently